Okubotoka chibesa gochia ABASAE onyota oyo obeire n'omong'usomo nene INSE asabara kurwa sense mu serikali babere bagosira omurubiri oyo nigo bono gukwana kurwa somo chu Nairobi no mu bisomo nene ase wizara yebyombe no bonchereria obokoboke Susan Mang'ENI asatebire ABASAE abange banyorora obokonyi nabo igo gochaka obonchereria kubwatekana n'omurubiri oyo nyota Susan nigo bono harure gukura gochia asaba Kenya KOBA Maiso kurwa asaba Abaunereria abo bakong'enderia gokora emirimo n'omurubiri oyo nyota.
This is the first program probably that has received this high level attention, and not just from the leadership, but then also from the masses. So then I just wanted to talk about why is it different this time around, because we've had quite a number of initiatives. Some of them are even existing as we speak right now, but probably they've not gained that traction as what we have with NYOTA. One is because of the design framework. And His Excellency the President guided us when we were designing that we must make sure that this project is properly aligned with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda that pledges inclusivity, number one, focus on economic empowerment, and especially looking at sectors, areas that probably can create more jobs to our economy. So first of all, properly with the agenda of the government. And remember also this project also sought out to kind of address some of the stereotypes and to prove them wrong that I've been saying. Number one, young people cannot do business, or there are only a few communities or certain communities in this country that can do business. So you saw the response from each and every community was extremely high. So it shows that those stereotypes that have been existing have now been
shattered.
Yeah. So what we need to do, we just need to keep on supporting our young people, provide more enablers to them with such kind of intervention at all levels. Now we're dealing with what we say, those that probably did not progress beyond for secondary level of education, but we still have some other young people also who are in universities, college students that we are going to support.
Please, if you have any doubt, if you find a message and you have any doubt, ama mtu akupigie, hata mtu asikupigia amesema apige kutoka kwa NYOTA, ama ametoka kwa MSME, ama kwa PS office. Unajua kuna pia wale wakora. Mtu akijaribu kupiga, uliza hata your chief, your local chief, or even you can come to our website or social spaces, my Twitter handle, just try to confirm my website, or even tuma message kwa hizo customer care zile number, zile tulipeana to verify, please. Don't give out your details.